an age where ancient magic and lost machines awaken once more. Darkness marches forward in relentless waves. Only one fortress stands between order and oblivion. The Tower Defense, a high-quality 2D tower defense experience, where every decision reshapes the battlefield. Build, upgrade, adapt. Towers evolve. Enemies grow stronger and faster. Strategy is your greatest weapon. Face powerful enemies, endure intelligent wave systems. Survive or fall. But this too is not just a game. This is a fully open source game. Own the complete project. Change characters, towers, environments, audio, even the core logic itself. Play it, rebuild it, publish it, and sell it as your own. You are not just a player. You are a creator. You are a guardian of the towers. Support the fortress. Defend the legacy. Build your own legend.